Hello, in this video we are going to see an example of working with frames. So this is example site. So this is the script opening page, clicking over frames link, and we have this frames link. Click on it, and then we have nested frames link. So we are clicking on nested frames link. Here we have nested frames link. Click on it, and then we are switching to frame top. So here we can see this is main HTML content that is called default content. So inside top frame we have 3 frames, from left, frame middle, frame right. So in this script we are trying to switch to top frame and then switch to left frame and then printing its body content, and then switching back to default content, that is the main landing page where we landed here. So this is the default content, and then from where we switch to our top frame, right? So then we are going again from top to right frame and then printing its body of content in locks, and then again switching to default content, that is the main content. So and then so switching to top frame, its name is frame top. So we are switching to top frame, and once we switch to top frame, thereon we are switching to left frame, that is the child of top frame, right? So then we switch to left frame. Okay, so we are switching to top frame from main body, and then switching to its child frame, that is frame left, and then we are getting content of left frame by using page source property, and then we are printing that content in our logs, and then we switch to default content. Again we are switching to main content using the switch to default content method. Thereon we again switch to top frame in order to switch to right frame, and then we are switching to right frame, that is the child of top frame. Okay, and then getting the content of frame right and then logging it in the logs, and in the end we are again switching back to default content, that is the main content. Okay, let's run the script. nRoBo -key test method name, and test started running, and browser instance open up and open the URL, and that's it. Let's open the report, and here we can see that we switch to, so these are the logs. Here we can see, right, this is the URL, title of page is nothing, we can go and see that title is missing. We can see in the head tag there is no title tag, right? That's why it's blank. Then we live frame content is this one, and this is this one, right? That's it. Thank you.